Superannuation, or Super, is the compulsory retirement savings system in Australia. Let's break down how this long-term investment structure actually works for you. In simple terms, employers contribute a portion of your salary into a dedicated account. This money is invested to grow until you reach retirement age. As of early 2024, the minimum employer contribution rate is 11.5%. This rate is scheduled to increase gradually over time. Super offers tax advantages compared to standard savings. Your earnings are taxed at a lower rate, helping your balance compound more effectively over decades. Unlike a standard bank account, Super is specifically designed for retirement. You cannot access these funds until you meet a specific condition of release. Compound interest is the secret engine of Super. Even small, regular contributions can grow into a significant nest egg over a long career. Because Super is a long-term vehicle, staying invested through market cycles is generally considered more important than trying to predict short-term fluctuations. Check your fund statement regularly to stay informed. Always consult a professional before making major changes. Educational content, not financial advice.